Good morning, friends. This is Jagdish Ahuja, your teacher, trainer, wealth transformer, and today I'm going to be talking to you about financial independence. Okay, and why financial independence? Because financial independence coincides with this beautiful Independence Day we've got here today. And first of all, let me wish you a very, very happy Independence Day. And why is freedom so important? I mean, come off it. I mean, there's something in freedom, right? Something intangible about freedom, which people cannot actually grasp. So I still remember, there was this one training which I did in a prominent 5-star hotel. It was a brand new 5-star hotel which was made in Bangalore. And we took the boardroom. We were like 15 of us, and the managers came back post lunch, and then we sat down in that boardroom. And post lunch, my first question to all of them was, how do you like this place? They liked it. How do you like the food? Everybody liked it. I said, how do you like, the ambience and all this? Everybody loved it. So I just asked a question. I told them, how many of y'all are staying here? Unfortunately, none of them were staying there. It was too expensive, horribly expensive at that point of time. It was brand new also. So then I asked them, I gave them a thing that, would you like to stay here? What do you think happened? Quite a few hands went up. Yes, of course they would like to stay there. I said, awesome, that's great. And mind you, stay for free. All hands went up. Then what happened? I said, I agree with it. So the next 3 days, it's a minimum 3-day package. I'll get you guys in. So the next 3 days, you all are going to be staying free in this hotel at my cost, complimentary. But there are 2 conditions. So what are the conditions? The first condition was that you have come to attend this program alone, so you'll be staying alone, okay? Enjoy everything else. And the second condition is you cannot leave the hotel. Now when I told the second condition, how did you feel? What was there in you that you suddenly felt I took from you, right? Didn't you feel that I took something away from you? Didn't you get a feeling that, maybe a bit, a sinking feeling in the stomach or something that I've taken away from you, right? I just told you, you cannot leave the hotel. So what did I take away from you? I just took away freedom. I took away the choice, that invaluable choice of freedom. And that is the same, feeling, choking feeling, which, a father gets when he takes his daughter and walks to a mall and she says, Daddy, buy me this. Daddy, buy me that. And he feels he can't afford it. And he gets that choking feeling. That choking feeling is freedom. And what I say is that if freedom is your birthright, then financial freedom is your birthright. So that's how you must be financially independent. And in order to live a financially independent life, you must have multiple streams of income. You must be financially disciplined. You must have the money. Otherwise, for me, if you're relying on one source of income, then it's like you walking on one leg. So just understand that. And if you can just think of it in that manner, that you're going to be walking on not one leg, but more than one leg, you obviously you can run as well. So financial freedom and freedom is as important as breathing, as life itself. And wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Stay free, stay financially free, and live an abundant life. God bless, stay safe, and till we meet again, adios amigos.